Stop. This is not a normal sound test. This is a real stress test for your phone speaker. Most phones will fail this test. Set your volume to 80%. Place your phone face down. Let's begin. Do you feel that vibration? It should be soft, but clear. Pay attention to how it responds. Now it's getting stronger. Does it feel stable, or is something off? This is where most phones struggle. Listen carefully. Any distortion, any weakness. This is the real stress point. Final accuracy check. Listen carefully for distortion. Focus on the clarity. Is the sound clean or slightly muffled? If everything felt strong and clear, your speaker is working fine. But if you noticed weak vibration or distortion, your speaker may need attention. Tap the full fix on your screen now.